Case law of company law. Howard versus Patent Every Manufacture Company 1888. Doctrine of indoor management. In which of the following cases doctrine of indoor management? Rama Corporation versus Provteen and General Investment Company. Directors are the agent of company. In which of the following case principle laid down? Allen uh, Ferguson versus Williamson, Elkington versus Company and Hater, Hemisphere Land Co. Allen versus Hattery all. Which of the following case is about doctrine of ultra-vires? Attorney General versus Great Eastern Company Corporation. The doctrine of indoor management was first laid down in the case of Royal British Bank versus Strickland. Nothing connected with the internal dispute between the shareholder is the subject of an action of shareholder. The majority rule was laid down in the celebrated case in the Foss versus Harbottle 1843. In which of the following case doctrine of indoor management was laid down? Royal British Bank versus Strickland. In which of the following case corporate veil of a company has not been lifted by the court? People's Pleasure Park Company versus Roheld. Scope of authorities of director. Lakshmi Ratan Cotton Mills versus J.K. Jute Mills Company. Power of directors. Automatic self-cleansing filter syndicate company limited versus Ochimangam. Statutory protection to director against liability. G. Ramesh versus ROC 2007. Director duty of care, diligence and skill. City Equitable Fire Insurance Company. Attorney General versus Great Eastern Railway Company. Right of a member of company to be injunction against ultra-vires transaction. Jahangir R. Modi versus Sarmaji Ladha. Personal liability of director. Wicks versus Prophet. Breach of warranty and authority induced in third party to enter into ultra-vires transaction and company. Cotman versus Cotman. Ultra-vires acquired property. Morris versus Kamse. Knowledge of irregularity. TR Part Limited versus MT Limited. Suspicion of irregularities. Ruven versus Great Fingal Consolidate. Forgery. Anand Behri Limited versus the Niswa Company. Acts outside the apparent authority. Foss versus Harbottle. Pressing the corporeal veil. Ashbury Railway Carriage versus Ritchie. Doctrine of ultra-vires. State Trading Corporation of India versus CTO. Citizen of Company. Sensitivity of Majority Rule. Guilford Motor Company versus Holmes.